have looked at all aspects, starting from universities and tertiary colleges, TVETs and TTCs, secondary school sector, primary school sector, and the pre-primary school sector. And we, as stakeholders, have come to a consensus that indeed it is time to relook, because the doctor has told you the curve is flattening. We have decided to reactivate the smaller stakeholders group between now and Saturday to work on the finer details of proposals that shall be interrogated by this larger stakeholders group. BOM teachers should actually now have been paid the bona fide ones. And I have said that many, many times. The cabinet and the government approved their payment over 6 weeks ago, and that position has not changed. So let us not waste so much energy discussing non-issues. We are also going to ensure that money for the payment of all other non-academic workers in schools is made available and forwarded to them.